Today I am opening up the Cyanotype from Jacquard, and it's a 2-piece set. I'm really excited to try Cyanotype. It's really a beautiful process, and of course I love it because it's white and blue. And I've been waiting for this, so I'm so excited. So this is from Jacquard, and I'll put the link down below so you can look at it. Let's see, what does it say on the back? 2-component sensitizer set for photographic blueprints on paper and fabric. Contents: Part A, potassium ferrocyanide, and Part B, ferric ammonium citrate. So the instructions say to fill both containers with water to create stock solutions A and B. Shake until powder is fully dissolved. For best results, wait 24 hours before using. Stock solutions have long shelf lives. So I guess you can like make it and then use part of it and use the other part later. That's good to know. In subdued lighting, mix equal parts solution A and B to create the cyanotype sensitizer. Mix only the amount you immediately need, as the sensitizer is stable just 2 to 4 hours. Okay, so you can mix the water in and it has a long shelf life. But then if you mix them together, that has only a shelf life of 2 to 4 hours. Coat paper or fabric with sensitizer and allow to air dry in the dark. Okay, once it's dry, make exposures in sunlight 3 to 30 minutes depending on conditions, or under a UV light source, placing object or film negative on the coated surface to create an image. Note, overexposure is generally preferred to underexposure. The print should look bronze in color after an adequate exposure. Process prints in tray of cool water. Wash for at least 5 minutes, changing the water periodically until it runs clear. Allow to dry. Over about 24 hours, the print will oxidize to its final deep blue color. To instantly oxidize the print to its final color, submerge in a diluted bath of hydrogen peroxide after washing. Then rinse and dry. Notes: the cyanotype process was developed in 1842 by Sir John Herschel. Jacquard Cyanotype set utilizes the exact same formula Herschel used. Okie doke, cool. Well, let's open it up. Okay, so now I'm gonna open it. I'll keep the instructions. Okay. It's really glued in there. Okay, it has the instructions on the back too, so that's good. This one feels really full. B, the ferric ammonium citrate, part B, is really full, and the part A is like a little lighter. Part A is potassium ferrocyanide. I guess that has iron in it, and this has ammonia in it. The set contains enough chemistry to make approximately 65 8x10 prints on paper, or 50 8x10 prints on fabric. Good to know. I think I'm gonna do fabric. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna make yet. I have a lot of different ideas, but the idea that I can fill these up with water and keep them for a while is very good, because I'll probably do a test and see how it goes, and then do more, because I've learned that that's kind of the best way to do things when it comes to a new process. But I'm really excited to try this. I've been a big fan of cyanotype for a while. I follow some really gifted cyanotype artists on Instagram, and I think that they're so talented and they really inspire me. And obviously it looks amazing with Shibori, so it's going to be really pretty. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for my next cyanotype project. I'm going to be starting soon on that. And subscribe for more dyeing, sewing, different types of crafting and textile art videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.